Hello guys! Good day sa inyong lahat. Today we're going ice fishing, but before that is pupunta kami sa isang bee farm kasi gusto kong bumili ng raw material doon guys, or ng raw product. Ayun, hindi honey ang bibilhin ko guys, but gusto kong bilhin yung beeswax nila. Kailangan ko kasi yun sa parchat na iniisip ko. Sobrang namumula ang aking mukha guys kasi sobrang malamig dito ngayon and it's so dry. Everything is so dry. Pero sobrang ganda ng mga puno kasi everything is frozen and nagwa-white yung mga puno guys. Tingnan nyo yan. Pumuti na yung birch trees guys. Wala man siyang dahon pero napalitan siya ng color puti. Pero yung pine trees, ayan, green pa rin yan kasi yan is evergreen.
Time again. Remind me of how we used to rock. Your charm never fades away. The way you smile, you kindle me, kindle me. The way you move, you kindle me, kindle me. The way you carry your body, oh, your charm never fades away.
So guys, andito na tayo sa Valosen Hunayatilla. Dito ko bibilhin yung beeswax. Meron namang nabibiling beeswax guys sa mga stores. But yun kasi meron na siyang nakahalo and I want the pure one. So dito ko siya bibilihin sa bee farmer. And kinontak din namin yung isang friend ni Nico na ano din siya ng mga bees. Nag-aalaga din siya ng mga bees. But konti lang daw yung Mehelais vaha or yung beeswax na meron sila. And hindi siya nag-reply after, but this is a much bigger farmer. Ang pangalan ng kanilang farm is Valosen Hunayatilla. So contact na namin yung may-ari nito and they have their bees houses there. We will also would like to ask like information how we can have our own bees and mga ganon. Oh, they just put it there in the in the yard. We can have the same thing.
Hieno harrastus tää hunoja. Mä joskus piti lukea näitä vähän kirjoja, mutta se on jäänyt. Siinä pitäisi vähän olla sellaista pohjatietoa.
Joo, täytyy käydä kouluttautumassa, jos ajattelit niitä mehiläisiä. Se on niin yksinkertainen juttu.
Kyllä se on.
Onhan se toi. Niin tässä on tämä.
Joo, se on jo puhudas.
Joo, siksi mä ajattelin, että tämä on helpompi sulle, kun sulla on
Joo.
se voidetta. Tämä kantas tää varmasti ottaa.
Joo.
Ja.
Onko sulla tää ihan niinku sun oma henkilökohtainen ammatti vai teetkö sä tämän lisäksi jotain muuta?
Kyllä, joo. Ei se vain oikein on. Siis me on ottanut sitä linjaa, että kun se on tavallaan kun me halusi ne menee niinku semmoinen, se henkilö mihin ne menee osa, mikä ne on tekemässä. Niin. Että emme myydä ne niinku niille. Tuossa on nyt se 1,7.
Näitä ei hirveästi mun mielestä.
Eli tää on ihan vain sillä lailla puhdas.
Okay.
Tää ei ole lämmitetty liikaa. Siinä mielessä tää. Me saa lisää, ei hätää.
Okei.
Ja sitten kestää.
Niin se on, joo. Kun ne on puhunut, että nämä ne on löydetty sinne.
Kami kinasal guys. Ito yung lake dito guys sa Holola. Padugtong ito ng tawag nito doon sa malaking lake sa Lahati. Pero frozen na siya kasi it's winter. So we came here because Nico wanted to do ice fishing. And dala na ni Nico and Anika yung backpack na binili ni Nico doon sa ukay-ukay. Yan yun guys. It's a backpack. At the same time, it's a chair. Meron din nag-ice fishing doon. Oh. Yan. It's very safe guys. Hindi ito magka-cracks and all. Because everything is so frozen now. Nice to go ice fishing today because it's not windy. There's no cracks or holes in this area guys. It's impossible to have that one because everything is so frozen. Yan. Ayun pa yung shoreline. Lahat ng puti na nakikita nyo. This is a body of water. Lake ito guys. Yung nilalakaran namin ngayon. And it's already deep in here. Kapag summertime, may mga boats, jet ski, and mga water activities dito. But for now that it's winter, we can still do activities in here, which is ice fishing. Sobrang malamig guys, but ay naman. When you go outdoors, you just need to have proper clothes. Warm jackets, warm ski pants or pants. And you need to be sure na yung nilalakaran mo is frozen. Sometimes when the temperature goes up, hindi nagiging frozen yung area, so you need to make sure na yung pupuntahan mo is frozen talaga. Sobrang lawak ng nilalakaran namin guys. Kala mo lang field, but this is the lake, and we are now in the middle of the lake. During winter, malalakaran mo siya, pwede even ito daanan ng sasakyan, but during summertime, hindi pwede. Only by boats. Somebody did ice fishing there too. Okay. Yeah. You know, you are not going to do ice fishing there. Let's go this way, next to Daddy. Alam na ni Anika. You know now what to do? Alam na ni Anika guys anong gagawin. Mag-set up na siya ng chair niya doon. Anika, come over here. Daddy is still a little bit further. May ubo actually si Anika guys, pero kailangan lumabas. Kasi kailangan kalanghap ng fresh na hangin. Actually, not feeling well kami ha, pero nandito kami sa gitna ng lake. May cough si Nico. Masakit yung lalamunan ko. Si Anika was also not feeling well. But we need to breathe fresh air. Anika saw a hole over there and she said, okay! She wants to sit down there and set up her chair. Is there a fish?
It's hidden.
This is not sink. I think they just eat it there top of the...
Yeah.
It's eaten the fish.
Wala akong fishing rod guys. Si Nico and Anika lang meron. Ako lang yung taga-video nila. Ako yung taga-gawa ng butas, taga-linis ng holes. Kasi from time to time, kailangan mo kukunin yung mga ice na namuo dun sa taas ng hole. Kasi mag-freeze ulit yan siya guys, titigas siya. Kaya kailangan mo siyang kuhanan kagaya ng ginagawa ni Nico. Tingnan nyo to guys, kapag yung fishing rod is na-dip siya sa water, pagkaangat niya sa taas niyan, magiging frozen agad yan kasi nga malamig nga yung hangin and yung temperature. Ayan o, ice talaga yan. Yan is nakadip yan sa water kanina. Pero ngayon frozen na. So magsastuck yan siya dyan. Yan. Sabi ni Nico guys, may kumakain daw yung sapain niya. There's also other people who are walking here with their dogs. Nandun sa unahan. Amazing, no? Napaka-calm lang talaga ng lugar, guys. Kahit sumigaw-sigaw ko dito sa gitna ng lake, guys, wala talaga makakarinig sa'yo na ano. Si Anika pala, mas gusto niya maglaro doon sa swing, kaya pinapunta na lang namin siya doon. Pero nag-try na siya na mag-ice fishing. Pero sabi niya, hindi niya siya nakakuha na fish. Mas gusto niya daw maglaro doon. Kasi merong playground doon sa my shore, guys. Malayo siya, guys. Pero it's okay. She knows what she's doing. Actually, naglalaro siya doon sa may bungee jumping nila. Ay, bungee jumping? Parang Indiana Jones. Oh, there's a fish! Sarki.
Kamera ay käynyt.
Sobrang bilis lang namin dito guys kasi biglang naging masyadong malamig yung temperature kasi sabi ni Nico. Alis na kami and the fish are not really interested with the bait that we have, so maybe we need to buy a new toka or yung worm. But nakakuha naman si Nico ng isang isda. Iniwan lang namin doon, yun is yung sarki. Hindi namin siya kinakain. So, iwan lang yun doon and maybe the fox will eat that one. How does it feel like to walk on the lake? Huh? It's very okay. It's not slippery. But when the snow, or I mean the ice will start melting guys, it will be a little bit slippier. Even the guy who was fishing there, umalis na rin siya guys kasi nga biglang naging mahangin. Sisipunin ka talaga kapag naglakad ka dito. Normal yan kasi mag-open yung mga ilong mo. So kakaroon ka ng natural blast on. Blast on! Lamig guys, but it's nice feeling maglakad sa nature lang. Ayan, puro yan guys, ice. Grabe kagahil. Nakikita ko si Anika ando, no? Naglalaro siya doon sa may swing. Doon yung church guys, oh. Saan kami kinasal ni Nico, yung oldest church dito sa Holola. Grabe katugnaw guys. Puro na frozen guys, about 15 to 20 centimeters thickness yung frozen lake. Kapag ganito guys, mag ice fishing kayo bago kayo pumunta, kailangan nyo talagang i-test yung lake, gaano kakapal yung ice. Hindi ka pwede yung pasagad-sagad ito dito dahil na. And then you need to have a knife, hunting knife with you pag nagpunta ka ng lake guys. Kasi kapag nalunod ka doon, yung knife yung gagamitin mong pang-akyat. Para pang support ni mo ba?
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious this kind. You were always meant to be mine. La 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 la. Some people pray all day and cross their fingers tightly in a bow, but I've got open eyes and arms stretched wide because I know you will be there when I rise. You were always meant to be
Hello Ray guys, good morning. The next day na ito no. So kakain na tayo ng breakfast natin and mag-chill lang talaga kami sa bahay kasi masama pa rin talaga yung mga pakiramdam namin guys. May flu pa rin kaya magre-relax lang kami sa bahay. Pero sa hapon kailangan namin pumunta ng grocery kasi wala na kaming toka or yung worms na gagamitin para sa ice fishing. So kailangan namin bumili ng bago. Kahapon, sobrang frozen pero ngayon nagmelt na naman yung snow and lahat ng mga puno, medyo maputi pa rin siya pero hindi na siya ganun kaputi compare yesterday. We are expecting na magmelt na talaga to lahat in a couple of weeks pero yung lake will still be frozen hanggat hindi siya nakakakuha ng maraming sunlight guys or hindi siya naiinitan. Kasi yung lake sobrang frozen talaga and sobrang safe pa talaga siyang lakaran kaya nag-ice fishing pa rin kami from time to time. In Finland, you can buy worms. 99 cents.
This is a little
Show
bit
me.
old too. This is maybe it's
They're not moving.
maybe it's a colder, but these are not. Maybe this is fresh or too cold.
Oh,
Oh, lots of worms.
lots of worms. Put it here in the fridge, guys.
Usually they are like
Moving, active.
Need.
This still looks good,
Actually,
no?
these are.
It's moving.
Mm.
Oh.
Sitä toista, se 50 €, niin se on vain verkkokaupassa, sitä ei ole myynyt.
Okay, so let's buy this one. This is OBH. 25 euros. This one, Daddy. There's 3 pieces. Yeah, it's 3 pieces. Can you open it and look how it is looks like? Watch it go, Avatar. Pilihin natin to. 25 euros. Ni. Okay, let's take this then.
Vahvelle rauta selekit single.
Need to buy this. This is ideal. That's Oral-B.
Iso.
Annika has a little bit small. I think that's the one for Annika and my waist.
Joo, tomato.
Ah, yeah, this is the one then. Okay. So many on sale, Daddy. This one, Daddy, oh, is Oral-B. This also on sale. 40 euros. Nakabili na rin ako ng waffle maker, guys. Hanap ko ng ganito sa ukay-ukay pero wala akong mahanap. So, nakasira siya ngayon kaya bumili na lang talaga kami. So, nandito tayo sa grocery, guys, no? Kasi kailangan kong bumili ng gatas. Gatas lang, guys. Tapos, bibili din pala ako ng vanilla sugar kasi wala na akong vanilla sugar sa bahay. And gusto kong i-try bukas yung aking waffle maker. So, ito yung vanilla dito, guys. O, merong silang pure na vanilla bean. Yun, yung nasa black. Pero dito tayo sa vanilla sugar lang. Ano ba bibilihan ko dito? Ito na lang siguro. Yung co-op, guys, kasi mas mura yan. 1 euro 9 cents. Pili din pala ako ng scent, guys. Nato ko grocery what yun, eh. Kalima ako. Pero guys, sobrang gaganda ng mga bulaklak nila dito as in. Ganda ng colors. tingnan niyo naman yan. Ang ganda, diba? Pink, oh, Miss D. Diba, sobrang gaganda. Ayan pa, oh. May mga tulips na rin, guys. Tingnan nyo, may mga tulips na. May pink na tulips. Ito pa. Tapos ito ko mga iris, guys. Iris. Meron kaming ganito sa yard namin, guys. Grabe, sobrang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Ay, naku, kagwafa. Mga gwafa, jud ko ayo sa mga bulak, guys. As in. Ayan, oh. Guwapa kayo. Dito, guys, oh, merong mga ano dito. Yung mga lily. Yan, sobrang gaganda. Guwapa kayo, guys. Uy. Diyos ko, magmahay ba, oh? Kagwapa, uy. Kutob na yung stand-out, eh. Ito pa yung ibang mga lilies dito, guys. So, grabe, kagwapa sa lily, oh. Guwapa kaayo. Ay, nako. Ang tulips, so, iba-ibang colors.
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star